accidentally switched your Android phone to a language you don't understand. Don't panic, this video will guide you back to English in just a few simple steps. First, locate the settings icon on your home screen or app drawer. It usually looks like a gear or cogwheel. Tap on the settings icon to open your phone's settings menu. The language setting icon is universal regardless of the language. Scroll down in the settings menu and look for an option that might say general management or something similar depending on your Android version. The icon beside general management usually looks like three horizontal lines with dots or sliders. Tap on it. In the general management menu, look for language and input or just language. It may feature an icon with the letter or a globe beside it. Tap this option. Now, you'll see the currently selected language at the top of the screen. Tap on the first option, which shows your current language. A list of available languages will appear. Scroll through the list until you find English United States or your preferred English variation. Tap on English United States to select it. Your phone's language should now switch back to English. And that's it. Your Android phone is now back to English, making it easy to navigate and understand all your settings. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more Android tips and tricks.